Good morning. My name is Atikur Rahman and I am a AWS certified DevOps engineer. So today I'm going to show you how you can install Go and write microservices using Go. So Go is developed by Google and they use this in their real production environments. So we all know that Google is very, I think, cautious about performance and security. So in terms of Go, I think they have ensured those things into the language. So why should you use Go? So if you go to the case studies of Go, Go.dev, and then you can see a lot of use cases, and most of the use cases people are using Go for microservices. So if you are trying to build microservices with Docker and containers, all those things, Go is the right tool to go. Because if you read those examples that is given here, like if you see American Express, they used Go for rewards and payments. And Capital One, they use serverless Go. And then Grafana, Cloudflare, they used Go. CockroachDB, Dropbox, Meta, Google, I think Big Slice. Then Microsoft also using Go, Netflix. So they're all using Go like Netflix, Monzo. So they use Go for like a perfect language for creating microservices architecture. Like, Monzo is a bank. So they are using Go language for their microservices. Riot Games, they are also using Go for their microservices. So it looks like that Go is like a very good tool for microservice based architecture, and it's very fast so far what I have learned, and it's very simple in terms of language, and it can provide you concurrency, so you can have concurrency, and it has a lot of built-in things that helps you to build your application. So you don't have to install a lot of third-party packages to do one simple thing, which already Go provided inside its built-in libraries, right? Built-in functions. So I think Go is a very fast and efficient language. And if you're building microservices, let's try with Go. Maybe just try one of the microservice with Go, and let's see the performance and how it delivers, right? So if you have decided to use Go, let's try. Download the language and install it locally. So I'm going to use for Microsoft Windows. So I'm going to they have, I think, download MSI file, and just click here. So it should start downloading it. Yeah, it's already started. So if I go here, it's already started downloading. I think it will take a, oh, it's no. This is, you can cancel. I just want one. That should be fine. Okay, so the installation is continuing. I think it should take more than 1 minute. So that's good. Let's go to Learn section, and after we install, we just go some simple examples, right? Guided journeys. Web dev examples provide easy and understandable code snippets to use it to development and more. Let's see. Go web learning with examples. Hello world. This is what we wanted to have, right? So this is the one. Let's see. Okay, it is stuck. Why it's stuck? Maybe it will pause and then maybe try again. Resume. Okay, so the download is done. Let's click on the MSI file, and it should start the installation process. Accept. Install in a different folder. Let's go. Okay, let's use it. Let's try to install. It's Sonali, the language. The version is 1.23.5 and it's for Windows. Okay, once we have installed it, we can finish, right? Okay, so where were we? Docs. So we have installed it. Now I'm going to check on the view the installation documentation. Do I need to update any path? Let's open our PowerShell. 1.23 meters. So seems good. Now let's use our VS Code and then try to write some code using VS Code for Go. Let's go to open folder, projects, and create a new folder for Go projects. X. Okay. So this is a new folder for Project X, and let's try to create a file or web.go. Right. Here's an example given. We can just copy paste this without explaining that much. Let's just copy paste everything. Yeah, let's install the Google Go extension. Okay. Installation done. Let's check. Okay, it's already installed. Seems good. Maybe I need to restart the VS Code one more time. Okay, seems good. It's found the Go language. Now, how should I? This is the package main. Then we have importing native HTTP. As we are saying, Go language, it's built-in. They have a built-in HTTP library for making HTTP request and also serving HTTP requests. So that's already available in the basic Go language. Now let's try to execute this. So if I am not wrong, Go web, Go, let's see. I think I'm just first time in the Go language. So how can I run it? Okay, so the command for running this script is to go run and then web.go, the file name, and it should start executing the script. Okay, that means the web server is running here. If we go to our browser and type localhost 80, that is the port that we are running. Then it says, hello, you have requested slash, and then maybe localhost. I think it should say you are requested. I think, right? Let's go to the code, and then what they are doing is like they are putting a message, hello, you have requested, and then the path that you are requesting. Very simple script, not that much logic over there. And as you can see, it's already built in. We have HTTP net, and then we have formatting. So all these functions are available. You don't have to install third-party packages for this. But if you use some other packages like Node.js or maybe some Python, you have to install a lot of packages, external packages, modules to just make an HTTP request and receive HTTP requests or listen HTTP requests. Okay, that's a beginning starter for Go. I'm also learning Go because I'm also new. So pardon if I made some mistakes, and I'm uh, using Go. I'm planning to use Go for my microservices, couple of microservices. So coming days, I will create some more tutorials regarding how the experiment went, how the experiment went well or not. And I'm going to use that one of our live projects with one simple microservice with Go. So that's about Go. Thank you for staying with me. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate if your help. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.